whenever you're ready. Okay, stop. That was awesome. Jesus. All right, stop. I'm rolling.
Gorgeous.
I got blood in the lens. Damn it.
That was awesome.
That stuff's got a nasty.
Here. I don't think you're supposed to put it in your mouth.
You're not. That's why I told you to use the other stuff. Asshole. You don't listen, man.
Well, it's either stuff that'll kill you or stuff that tastes really bad.
I don't know.
The stuff that'll kill me is better.
I don't know what's in this.
Dedication.
Dedication.
Yes. Beauty
Taking
is
risks.
pain.